today's world, data has exploded. As always, it's a double-edged sword. The principle and a very significant challenge is how to turn data into meaningful information. Given the prolific number of software solutions available, which one to choose? If data security and ease of use are important and you are using Microsoft technologies, then Microsoft Power BI is worth your consideration. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a unified self-service and business intelligence platform that combines an intuitive user experience with intelligent data visualizations to provide greater depth of data insight. Reports can be shared within Microsoft tools like Teams, SharePoint, PowerPoint, or within other productivity products. When you use Power BI with Azure and Office, you extract maximum value from your technology and your data, because Power BI interlopes with the Microsoft technology you already trust. You can import data from a wide variety of data sources. After you connect to a data source, you can shape the data to match your analysis and reporting needs. Power BI can transform your company's data into rich visuals for you to collect and organize so you can focus on what matters to you. Stay in the know, spot trends as they happen, and push your business further. To summarize, Power BI is an analytics solution for your whole organization, your whole business on one or multiple dashboards. You can make better decisions because your decisions are evidence-based.